Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Reno 10, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. Of course, we need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network when we trying to search for something in the Play Store. Then click search, click install, and click open. So as you can see, it's really lightweight launcher. It has weight only 5 megabytes, and it's really small size application. And here, as you can see, we have nothing known. So here we have only favorite tabs on the main screen and alphabetical line to search application. So if you want to search Play Store, for example, just drag your finger to P, and here you will see the Play Store. Cool. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it, download, and click open. Click get started. I agree, confirm, continue, value the app, allow everything, confirm. So cool, we can use this launcher completely for free. You don't need to pay for Prime Features. Prime Features is only app, folders, and new folders, and leave wallpapers. So here we have really great apps grouping feature. So here we have groups, and applications are automatically grouped by these groups. It's really great. Here we have really minimalistic and beautiful interface. It's very important. Here we have beautiful interface. And we have really great wallpaper gallery that renews every hour. And if you want to use always fresh wallpapers, so this launcher is for you. It was designed for you because here you have everyday new wallpapers, everyday new setup of wallpapers, and it's really good. So cool. On the first place in my top, today it will be not beautiful wallpaper, not beautiful launcher, but really functional. So it's Microsoft launcher. Everybody knows about this launcher, but I'll show you it because this launcher really great if you want to be productive. So if you want to boost your productivity, Microsoft Launcher is the best way to do it, because here you have everything to boost your productivity. So I'm gonna show you it right now, wait for it. Cool, so here, as you can see on the left panel of our screen, we can see that here we have the glance. What is glance? Glance is the panel when you can set up all your widgets, and it will resolve the common feature of Android users. So you don't need to switch between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. All widgets you have here on the left side. It's cool. Here you have my menu with the alphabetical line, with the normal search, with the voice search, and with the hidden apps feature. Great. And the greatest feature is the gestures. So for example, I can set up, for example, opening app, for example, calculator, by swiping up with 2 fingers. Try to do it, and as you can see, it opened. So it's really great. You can set it up in the way you want, and it will really boost your productivity. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like one of these short launchers, just write about it in comments, and cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.